मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, भारत का स्वर्णिम कालखंड है 2047 विकसित भारत, ये हमारी प्रतीक्षा कर रहा है।
Over the past decade, PM Modi ji's Independence Day speeches from the Red Fort have served as blueprints for a transformative India. Each year, new policies were unveiled, promises made and goals set, each fulfilled with unwavering commitment. As we look ahead to a Viksit Bharat, let's explore 11 key policies introduced by PM Modi ji from the Red Fort. 2014 Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and Make in India. PM Modi ji's Swachh Bharat Abhiyan improved public hygiene while Make in India boosted manufacturing and attracted global investment, positioning India as a key player in global markets. 2015 Startup India and Stand Up India. These initiatives fostered entrepreneurship and supported unrepresented groups, driving innovation and creating growth opportunities. 2016 Digital India Initiative. The Digital India Initiative was launched to improve digital infrastructure, promote e-governance and boost digital literacy, transforming government services. 2017 75 years of Quit India movement. On the 75th anniversary of the Quit India movement, PM Modi ji called for a Viksit Bharat, driving national development and pride. 2018 Ayushman Bharat scheme. Ayushman Bharat provided health coverage of up to Rs 5 lakh per family, significantly improving healthcare access for millions. 2019 Jal Jeevan Mission. The Jal Jeevan Mission has provided clean water to millions, addressing water scarcity and improving rural living conditions. 2020 Make for World, Vocal for Local. PM Modi ji promoted local manufacturing and reduced import dependency through Make for World and Vocal for Local, supporting domestic businesses. 2021 Gati Shakti. The $1.2 trillion Gati Shakti plan was introduced to improve multi-modal connectivity and infrastructure, driving economic growth. 2022 Panch Pran and 5G technology. PM Modi ji launched the Panch Pran Resolve, rolled out 5G technology and introduced the new education policy to modernize education and boost national pride. 2023 G20 Presidency and Digital Health Initiatives. India's G20 leadership and the Digital Health Initiative were emphasized to strengthen global influence and enhance healthcare services. 2024 Viksit Bharat Roadmap and Green Energy Revolution. PM Modi ji's 2024 plan targets India's developed nation status by 2047, with a focus on sustainable growth and leading in renewable energy, accelerating the nation's progress in clean energy and self-reliance. PM Modi ji also called for a secular civil code to do away with discriminatory communal civil code and enforce stringent punishments for crimes against women, instilling a strong sense of accountability. Additionally, PM Modi ji announced plans to add 75,000 more medical seats over the next 5 years and expressed India's ambition to host the 2036 Olympics. These policies reflect PM Modi ji's vision of a modern, self-reliant India, driving progress and development across multiple sectors. Together, they lay the foundation for a Viksit Bharat poised to lead on the global stage.